Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you if your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have opened your iPhone settings and check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, tap on general, tap on software update and update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after this go back, scroll it down, tap on transfer reset setting, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting, enter your password. After doing reset network setting, you need to go back, after this your problem still not solved, then restart your iPhone, solve your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.